This is Duke University.
This summer, the Office of Information Technology completed a 2-year project to move all university and health system phones to the new Voice over Internet Protocol platform. That's making it possible for Duke to decommission equipment it's relied on for more than 20 years to route calls to the 35,000 lines on campus.
My father's name was Curtis Sykes. He worked at Duke for about 45 years, and eventually he became the central office supervisor, which oversaw the installation of the 5ESS from AT&T. That installation was started in the late 80s. But over the last year, we've started decommissioning the switch to completely have all lines removed off the switch and onto other services, voice over IP and other installations.
It became apparent that we were having to run 2 platforms, 2 service contracts. The Cisco platform is able to do both. This switch was decommissioned. All 8,500 users were taken off of it earlier this year.
From the early 90s through now, we've been using a lot of ISDN services to provide for the medical center and university, and it's been a great service, but it's served its time.
Produced by the Office of Communication Services. Online at communications.hr.duke.edu.